information in case 141-800-357. Okay, Mr. Hendricks, why don't you tell me what is proposed, and then we'll go from there.
Your Honor, in the first case, it's proposed that he'll be pleading guilty to a second-degree felony manslaughter. And then in the second case, that case will be dismissed in its entirety.
You're giving up pretty much all your rights to appeal in this matter because there'll be no process after today's date but for sentencing. So there's really nothing to appeal hereinafter. You understand?
Yes.
That on or about July the 6th, 2013, in Uintah County, that you did recklessly cause the death of another. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Factual basis, Mr. Travis.
During the evening hours of July 5th, 2013, and the early morning hours of July 6th, 2013, the defendant, after a day of drinking, became violent with the victim in the victim's residence. The defendant hit the victim repeatedly with a ceramic statue, causing multiple highly visible injuries to the victim's head and body. The defendant also strangled the victim, leaving the victim unconscious or dead on the living room floor. Although the exact time of death is uncertain, the victim died either immediately or within the next few hours as a result of the injuries inflicted by the defendant. The defendant did not seek out any attention, medical or otherwise, for the victim. The medical examiner concluded that the immediate causes of death were blunt force injuries to the head and strangulation. There were no defensive wounds observed on the defendant.
Okay, Mr. Anderson, is that in fact what happened?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's set sentencing for the 30th day of September, pardon me, October the 14th. That was down to the last day of September.
Thank
October
you,
the
Your Honor.
14th.
I appreciate that.
9 o'clock. Anything else, Mr. Dressel?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Hendricks?
Nothing further.
All right, thank you, Mr. Anderson.
Thank you, Your Honor. Call the Davis Sentai